So this is the way how the bracket is fixed on the radiator now. It doesn't move, it doesn't rattle, it's okay. And that's ensured thanks to this plastic clip that's like a safety clip, which prevents the radiator from unhinging. You can see that there are like teeth on the plastic clip which hold the radiator. So if you put the bracket on the radiator like this, now it's loose, but you have to press it together and you have to hear this clicking sound, this click. And this is when the plastic safety clips falls into its teeth. I will repeat it. So you undo it again, you put it like this, just gently, and now you have to press together and you will hear like a clicking sound. That was it, this clicking sound, and now the bracket holds firmly to the radiator.